Microsoft has issued an update to fix Kerberos sign-in failures. Welcome back to another video from TuxCare, where we give you the latest news on Linux security. A few days after Microsoft acknowledged problems with Kerberos authentication that affected Windows servers with a domain controller role, that caused domain user sign and remote desktop connections to fail. Microsoft released an emergency optional out-of-band update. All those updates must be installed manually. A list of affected Kerberos auth scenarios include Active Directory Federation Services authentication, group-managed service accounts used for services such as Internet Information Services, and remote desktop connections. Others include the inability to access shared folders on workstations and files, shares on servers, and the inability to carry out printing that requires domain user authentication. Following the emergency patch, Microsoft security teams discovered a new problem with Kerberos authentication on Windows servers. In the new patch, it made another set of security hardening changes that fixed two vulnerabilities. But it also broke some key authentication scenarios at the same time, resulting in failed logins and failed RDP connections, which caused a bug. If you want to learn more about this story, be sure to check out the link in the description. And for more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe.